Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel GIT Resolution, and this is your host. In this video, I will show you how you can remove language setting option from your taskbar. So without wasting time, let's get started. At first, right click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. Now click on Time and Language. Now click on Language and Region. And right here, you will see language options. As many you will see right here. As you can see, here it is showing two language options, and same two language options are being shown here. And from here, you have to remove all unnecessary language option which you don't want to use. For example, I will use English US only. So I will remove English India language option. Click here. Now click on Remove. Now you will see once language option removed from here, it will be removed from taskbar also. So friends, I really hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.